Hi, and welcome to Anvil Logic. This video will walk you through a brief overview and demo of the Anvil Logic Detection Automation platform. Detection automation is really just cleaning up the mess and chaos caused by the manual process of detection, hunting, and the triage lifecycle to make your security better, faster, and stronger through detection automation. The Anvil Logic Detection Automation platform can help you easily gain situational awareness and operational readiness by better aligning your security and business priorities, making security no longer a bottleneck and helping to accelerate the business. Dramatically reduce your alert volumes so you don't miss another malicious signal, while also helping to reduce the time and expertise needed to build and deploy detections and gain accuracy through better enrichment and out-of-the-box content. Think of it like a purple team at no extra cost, as well as making your existing investments better and working for you. Anvil Logic has one mission. That's to give you the visibility to enable you and your team to quickly and easily detect and manage the threats that are unique to your environment. The Anvil Logic Detection Automation platform sits in the middle of all of this to eliminate the chaos by bringing together your existing data platforms, data lakes, cloud platforms, and your security operations silos like your SIEMs, your XDRs and EDRs, and your downstream silos like ticketing and SOAR. All of these silos generate a massive amount of noise from the signals and threat intel, alerts, and the rest of the noise. The platform ingests and normalizes all of this so you don't miss a thing because of over-tuning or simply because you're not a human correlation engine. Shifting security left can help you gain the visibility to understand how your noise is connected, like pieces of a story that alone might not look like anything, but when put together, create a full narrative and can help you reveal any plot twists. The platform provides AI-driven recommendations, continuous maturity score, and out-of-the-box content, as well as frameworks, workflows that can enable teams to easily assess and prioritize, as well as tune, maintain, and quickly operationalize the MITRE ATT&CK and send downstream to your SOAR ticketing systems for fast mitigation and response. So you can see improved incident response almost instantly. This helps you gain an overall better and faster detection, hunting, and triage lifecycle, all based on your organization's unique threat priorities, and get started easily addressing Layer 1 and Layer 2 type detections. Let's dive into the demo. The home screen dashboard gives you a clear view of your threat landscape and the focus areas, as well as your overall continuous maturity. This score is like a car health check or credit score for your SOC, although a number doesn't mean much without understanding how we got there. You can easily drill down to see the MITRE ATT&CK mapping and where you're covered. You can even drill down further to see if there's a specific attack that you're covered for. Say your CISO walks in and once again asks if you're covered for the latest headline. You can go ahead and respond within a matter of minutes or seconds rather than a few days or weeks. The platform also gives you recommendations so you can know where to start and what direction to go in order to create rules and alerts that you should focus on. Based on your priorities, quickly and easily deploy a rule, see examples of the threat, which can come in handy as a quick reference, or if you have new people learning security on your team. Use the platform's no-code builder to create a scenario based on attack patterns without you having to write a single line of code. The platform gives you flexibility to determine your requirements as well as see the underlying logic. Once deployed, you'll be able to see the rule as well as visualize your threat scenario, correlate across seemingly unrelated events, as well as clearly visualize your current health status. This all helps to give you that clear view of coverage, data quality, and detections to help you overall increase your coverage and reduce your risk. Once a rule is added to your organizational workspace, you can also assign it to any team member to take action. The nifty collaboration space makes it easy to collaborate with multiple members of the team and add additional feedback, review, test, and more. The platform also makes it easy to quickly assess and change your priorities as needed. So if you're onboarding a new platform or know that something needs to change to high priority, you can do that within a couple of clicks. Well, I'm impressed if you made it to the end, and thanks for listening. If you would like more information about how automating your detection, hunting, and triage lifecycle can help make your security operations better, faster, and stronger, please reach out to us for a full demo or free trial. And in case you didn't know, we got your back. Log.